My very first DoorDash, but I placed everything in the Grubhub bag to keep it warm. I have my kitty with me. She's under there in her carrier. So we only have a 1.9-mile trip to go. So it's not far from the McDonald's. I picked up the items, which is great. Me and kitty chilling. Never again will I go door dashing or gigging in any way, shape, or fashion with my kitty. Right, Mama? You can get out. She has her heating pad in case it gets chilly, but it's so nice out. It's so nice out today. Beautiful sights. This is the area we live in. And the luxuries we get to experience. Harbor lifestyle, beach life. Concerts at the beach. How many concerts at the beach have you been to? And festivals? Hmm? How many festivals have you been to? She's been to so many. We're just chilling, going for a nice bike ride on a nice, mild 69-degree day at the beach. I did one gig because I don't think it was comfortable for my kitty. So we won't try that again so that she's comfortable. I was fine, but I was a bit uncomfortable because the space was kind of limited. The pickup delivery was quite large. And thank goodness this large, huge Grubhub bag, it really accommodated the delivery from McDonald's, actually. Want to get out? Come on. Come on. Come on, Bubbly. Let's go. Come on. I want to get out. I want to go. I want to see the sights. I want to see the sights. Come on, baby. Yeah. I want to see the sights. I'll probably let her go for a walk, but holding the phone makes it difficult because she likes to dash off like she's about to do right now. Come on. We can't go far. Come here. We can't go far, Mama. The bag is going to drag. It's connected to the bag. Kitty's still enjoying her sights. Port of Rochester. Enjoying her sights. We just came from over there. There were a few people fishing where people load their boats out to the harbor and back in. She's enjoying herself. Let's take a little stroll. Let's see what Kitty sees. kitty sees. I got the bike in mode 1, 12.6 miles it goes in mode 1, but we're on a hill. So I probably just need to brake every now and then. This is what me and Kitty sees. Everybody fishing. I'm not even sure. Small fish. Harbor lifestyle. Excuse me. Wow, that's so cool. We need to grab our fishing pole and come out here. It's a fish day. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. I was trying to give some of them privacy, but it's so many. It looks like an event. All right, we're on the other side of the docking area. I think it's called the docks. There's a pier we might ride on too. I don't know if I'll go all the way to the end where the light blinks back and forth just to signal boats for safety. But here we are, Port of Rochester. We've made it to this side already. They keep this area very clean. Let's go to Kitty's favorite. Oh, come on now. Let's go to Kitty's favorite. Her favorite side of the port. So this is where the folks were fishing over here, as I was saying earlier. Right here, we rode by, which is really nice, where people dock the boats in and out. That's what they're doing now. Whoa, this is our favorite spot right here. Right up here on this platform. Me and Kitty love it up here. It's beautiful. They had a boat show up here a few months back. Rochester. They had a boat show, and it was very nice. A boat show with lights. It was like some sort of boat festival anniversary type of thing going on. Whoa. All right. And people perform over here, back there. Yeah, very nice. Little live concerts over there across the way. I just gotta make sure my kitty can see out here. Let's take this off. I have to take this off. I'll put it on there for security reasons, but let's get her higher. Okay. I won't edit that, but I almost fell. And so did Kitty. That's a first. Oh, that was a first. This bike is way more balanced than that. I don't know what's going on. All right. Let's get this open. Wanna look out? Wanna come up here? You can get out. She took me for a run back there on the other side of the harbor. relaxing? Usually run off. She usually runs all the way over there to try to make it to the grass. She'll try to get off this platform because she tries to make it out to the trees and grass or wherever else it is she's trying to get to. She snatched off of her harness before. Um, Down at the beach, and I was so frantic, but I was able to get her. She didn't run too far. Whoa, be careful, honey. It's usually spiders right there. Water, 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 water. No, no, no. Okay, no water there. No, no, you don't want to get in there. We don't even know how tight, how secure that is. Apricot. No, 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 baby. See, I usually have to pick her up because she's not gonna listen. So I'll take her back over here where we started, and then we can just start over again. Hi.
He or she stays right there?
She'll get down. Maybe she might not now because you're right here.
I get it.
Oh yeah.
But it's funny, we have a cat.
Come here.
So when we walk the dog,
Yes.
we have a little block. The cat will follow us.
Oh really?
So it's kind of cute. So I get what you got.
Yeah.
It's cute. I love it.
Thank you. She loves she loves to ride out. You have a great night too. Yes. Okay, in here. The birds are still wounded up. They're all headed. See, they're all headed in the direction. We're kind of going back and forth, but they really want to get up on this inland part here. Right there. Most of the birds, most of the ducks they've congregated from here, from there, all the way over here. So most of them are together now. There's a few headed back this way, trying to meet up with the birds here. Looks like the sun is setting over there. It usually sets all the way over there at the beach to the left. But it looks like the sun would be setting. Setting in the east, actually. That's east. These birds really come together in a large flock. And they're very tall. I don't think they're ducks. They might be ducks, but um, they're very tall and they hiss at you. If these are the same type of birds, two-legged birds that walk on land, they're very tall. They have a green color um, on their fur, and they're kind of like a brownish, dark brown color. They I heard a bird land in the water. They actually, oh, so cute. They hiss like a cat, literally, when you're walking by, minding your business. They do these really loud hisses. One tried to walk up to me and hiss the last time, and I was a bit uncomfortable with that because I'm not used to birds hissing and walking up, running, kind of walking and running. It's crazy. The craziest experience. And I had my cat with me. I'm like, okay, that looks better. When I tap the screen, it gets brighter. These birds are all going over. They're chancing it, going all the way over here. And these people have not left with their boat yet. My kitty is enjoying herself. She's looking at the water, enjoying the views. I don't want to put her too far on the edge, but we're gonna head out. Oh my God, look at the streak in the water. Cool. These birds are wounded up. I wonder if you can hear them landing in the water, flying out of the water, making streaks and then flying up. All right. Kitty has a much larger carrier. This is a three-sided top, right and left side for air. Either I sit her like this for view, or I just go ahead and sit it inside for more security. It's a little windy. I'm getting a little runny nose here, but we're gonna head out. Check out our lights. Front lights, headlights, rear lights, and then if you press brake, it flickers. The other brake, the right brake. First one was the left brake. So that's what we're working with. And then my helmet for safety because it's getting dark. We have the fast blink, slow, steady, off. Fast blink, slow blink, stand still blink, off. I'll probably do either this one or that one. Most likely this one when I'm in the road, on the road. Um, Usually this one in the daytime or sidewalk. I'll end this here. I know it's dark, but we decided to do the pier. So there's the pier to the right with the green light, and then the red light blinking far down is the pier on the left. We're on the pier on the left. Red blink, you see it on the left. Green blink on the right. Red left, green right. Two piers. This pier on the right over there has no, I don't know how to say it, security on both sides, but this one does. So that's the difference of both. We're down to 3 bars. Gotta pay attention because we're down to 3 bars left with battery. But yeah, that light looks close. It's really far down there if you're walking. But yeah, those are the piers. And where I thought I was ending my video, looks like this is where I'll be ending it. But it's so beautiful. We're gonna ride through the park by the water. Let's just do that right now. It's fuzzy. My apologies for the fuzziness of the video. It's really fuzzy because it's night. The night vision isn't as great. This looks pretty good. here. I don't usually go way down there, especially at night, even daytime when there's a lot of people. Tell me that isn't the sun over there going down. Beautiful. So me and Kitty, we're not gonna go up here. Go this way. Slippery a little bit. Okay. I think someone's fishing. There's a lot of holes and bumps down there too. It's nighttime. I want to be safe. This bike light isn't enough light for me to watch out for those gravel and potholes. I'm getting pretty good storage with this video here. I was kind of trying to end it because I just want to be careful about storage as well. This is beautiful. In the daytime, it's so beautiful. And then when the sun sets, it sets right down there. Right down there. I can't tell if that's a campfire down there. Wait, I usually let my kitty, I put her bag out of that little compartment so that she can see either right or left, not vertical. Some trails. We usually head up the trails, but this is the boardwalk. This is considered a boardwalk. So I guess where I kept saying harbor back there as well, that was a boardwalk and a harbor. If you notice the look of the panels on the walkway. Pretty. We're in mode 1, which goes 12.6 miles. My bike lights are facing upward. I wonder if I can adjust it. Adjust it so it points down at the ground more. That's what I want to do. There's the pier. Oh wow, you can see the green one and the one on the right across the lake and the one on the left. The red and green lights there. Mm, nice. We just rode on a boardwalk. We didn't go across that entire pier there. It's beautiful out here. We like to ride up here and then just ride the bike around in a circle under there. This is the stage where they do concerts. It's a little dark, but you can see it a bit. Let me get back in the bike. See Kitty, she's just chilling. I'm waiting for her to stick her head out. It's pretty dark up here. Yeah, my light needs to be adjusted. That's a no-no. That's the way we came. This is their famous stage. You can't see it, but yeah, There's the boardwalk too, where we just rode. The playground is over there. There's a few people riding their bike, but the playground is over that way. Steers. More steers. Can we cut the light on? I don't think we can cut the freaking light on. Let's give that a try. So there's two sides where stairs are actually. There's baby. Hi. Hi, Luna. Hi, Looney. Hi. Hello. I'm sorry for the light in your eyes. So sorry. Hi, baby. So achy. Look how sweet you are. We still have 3 bars left to charge. This is where the merry-go-round is. Kids going on. There's trails everywhere at this beach. But this is the merry-go-round building. It used to be $1, I think. I'm not certain how much it would cost now, but yeah. Let's do a full ride around. Full ride around the merry-go-round building. That covers 4 sides. Back onto the trail. Let's see a good way we can go. Here's another boardwalk. It's just near the parking lot. Surveillance all over the beach. It's everywhere. We're heading home now. There's some Bill out here. California rolling and sushi. And there's always police out here. I don't see many tonight. But there's this really nice restaurant upstairs back here. Above Bill Gray's. place, but they closed it down. I think it was called Pelican. No, not Pelican's Nest. I forget the name, but Pelican's Nest isn't far from here. Going back the way we came. I guess the fishers wrapped it up. This way they were fishing, but still a few. Still quite a few. Oh yeah, it is. Cool. Must be quite a few fish in there. Split, so it must be quite a few. See the boats as we leave. Going back up the hill. Oh, down the 2 bars. I gotta be careful. We might not make it home. Oh my god. This is a hill here. I smell a lot of fish in this water today. That's unusual. Usually it's more by the beach side where the sand is. Alright, kitty baby. Home that way. There's a car coming, but we're gonna head home this way. Or waiting for this car. We're gonna head home this way or that way, right there. You ready to head home, sweetie pie? You ready to head home, honey? I think she had enough fun for today, right? Until you get home. Just when I thought I was on my way home, I realized I was missing a glove. And my left glove, I had my right glove, but my left glove I just found right near this place. Right near this place I was mentioning. Glove was right here. Right here, right where I was doing a video. But I'm so happy I found my glove. I am so happy. It was the left glove too. This is crazy. I was almost panicked that I wouldn't find it, but I had to calm my nerves because I was like, I'm gonna find it. I know I will. And I did. Kitty, now we can head home. This little thing is in the way. Now we can head home, mommy. Now we can head home. I had to put my glasses on and everything. Right. Look at our battery. Hope we make it home. We're only probably we're about less than a mile from here. Yeah. Well less than a mile, I believe. I'm just glad I didn't give up looking for my glove. I just backtracked my steps from where the people were fishing way back over here through the trails. Back over to the stage where people perform is where I found my gloves. My glove on the sidewalk, on the trail actually. My phone light is on and it isn't giving. Oh, my battery dying. Guys, I think I'm gonna have to walk my bike before I even get out to the road. ridiculous. And another thing, this bike doesn't give 20 miles per charge. This is the second battery I've received, and it doesn't give 20 miles per full charge. It's terrible. Look how slow we're going. 5 point something miles on mode one. This is ridiculous. I'm gonna cut the bike off and walk it a bit. No choice but to walk it.